Hi guys, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound in Idaho. I got a real quick, real easy preparedness hack for you. Stick around. Okay, so what is this real easy preparedness hack I have for you? It's a water filter that you can make real easy. It's not that expensive, and I'll give you all the links to the parts down in the thing, and this is a big part of it. This is a ceramic water filter that's hollow inside, that's filled with activated charcoal. So this is your filter. Now, how are you going to turn this into an easy, quick water filter? Well, we're going to take a 5-gallon bucket, drill a hole in the bottom, and put it together. So hang on a second and let's get this going. Okay, before I go ahead and drill this, I want to take this opportunity to remind you to pound that thumbs up button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and click that red button down below. When it turns gray, a little bell will pop up next to it. Click that bell and you'll get notified every time I post a new video, all right? Oh, also, you want to share these type videos out on emergency preparedness with your extended family, friends, neighbors, co-workers, associates. You want them to get prepared too. Why? Because if they're prepared, they're not coming knocking on your door trying to get your supplies from your family, right? All right, let's drill this bucket now. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my drill with the step drill on it again. And let's get down here where you can see the bucket. So I'm going to put this in the center here. And okay, a little bit bigger. Let's check that size hole out. All right. Excuse me. All right. So I got that hole done. So now I take this. See the hole in the bottom there? I'll stick the filter down in here. So that the threads stick out the bottom. Take the nut. Screw it on there nice and tight. Okay. Now, before I show you how to use this, I want to go over something else here with you real quick. All right. There is a variant of this ceramic filter with a carbon in it that comes with a cover, comes with a scrubby, and comes with a spigot as well. So it's, you want to spend the money on getting the whole kit, or you want to just get a ceramic filter and just go from there. That choice is up to you. Also, after I show you how to use this, immediately following it will be a short video on our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's really cool. We have 10 winners and an 11th grand prize winner. The grand prize is worth over $500. All right. So with that, let me show you how this works. Okay. So you get another bucket. You put a couple blocks of wood on it. Put this on it. Fill this full of water, and it takes about 7.5 hours for this to drain approximately into another 5-gallon bucket. If you're worried about dirt getting in here or bugs or anything else, put a small garbage bag over it. Garbage bag will keep everything out and keep it clean. You want to get elaborate, you can make a tripod, hang it from it, and put one of those 7-gallon plastic jugs you can get at Walmart or Cabela's or Big 5 Sporting Goods, where it drips right into it, into the opening on it. You put it down so it's really close. Actually, where it even sits on it, just use a rope on the tripod to suspend it just right. That way it goes straight in there. You can put your spigot on there and you're good. You can get 15 gallons a day realistically in a 24-hour period. So like, if you remember, fill it up at night before you go to bed. All right. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you want to share these out with your friends, neighbors, relatives, and everybody else so they get prepared. All right. Now, as always, stay happy, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video, and watch a little bit about our 1,000 subscriber giveaway.